With the skills that I learned at SCC, I'm 100% confident that I'm going to be able to find a job.
Right now I actually do have a job working with electronics.
If you're interested in learning how things work, how things are made, then I think it's definitely for you. I chose SCC's manufacturing program. I knew it was going to be smaller class sizes. I also wanted more of a hands-on learning experience.
Our educators didn't come straight out of college and start teaching. They did it in the field, so they have that practical knowledge to bring back with them.
As a whole, SCC is always there to help the student. So even when that student enrolls in here, they're not just a number.
The great thing about SCC is they can come in and train and deliver when we need it, but also then have a pathway for employees to go.
60 to 80% of our classes are hands-on, where the kids actually get their hands on the equipment that they'll probably see in the real world.
A typical day in the manufacturing engineering program, we do SolidWorks or AutoCAD pretty much every day, and then we'd use the 3D printer a lot.
We have different labs depending on what we're working on. We simulate a car wash. So they have to write that program so that no matter which option we pick, it does it correctly.
I also teach a robotics and automation class where they have to automate a process. And we have lots of fun with that because they can do projects that are either in their dorm or home life or things like that.
My experience with the instructors is very positive. They go the extra mile when connecting with students and making sure that you're learning what you should.
They can see that what I'm teaching them, I know what I'm teaching them because I've done it.
We've sent about 20 Kawasaki employees where their job is to go to school for 2 years to get their degrees. And they've gone from maybe 18, 19, 22, $23 an hour to now as level 6 through level 10 techs where they're making $32 to $40 an hour.
A number of my classmates are also, have found jobs that they're interning right now, and those jobs or internships could very well turn into full-time careers.
Graduates from SCC typically excel in our program because continuous learning is probably one of the more important things for us.
The one thing we did with Duncan Aviation is we started a synchronous web program with them where their employees would actually zoom in to our lecture and listen to our lecture, and then they do the labs at Duncan.
Automation and robotics and technology brings more opportunity, and the opportunities for advancement are just beyond belief.
The social norm is to go to four-year school, but learning a trade is really important.
You're seeing more and more automation and robotics every day. It's a growing industry in manufacturing, in the medical field. You still need somebody that knows how to program it, modify it, repair it, and possibly install new automated equipment within the manufacturer.
If you're considering SCC, I think you should definitely go.
I think there's for sure an opportunity to redefine community colleges in people's perception of what it is. I think if people realized the high-tech careers and the opportunities that our students have to them when they graduate, they would be shocked.